guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in West Orange, New Jersey. Actually helping out a contractor he's our first time client, but he had a glass guy come in and put this door. And we've already done some modifications to it, but the glass guy pretty much just left the door as is, and funny thing enough is there's no glass in here. So we've already made some adjustments to the door. It was put out of whack. No door closer was placed, so that means this guy just pretty much goes in and out. And then look, oh, scrapes the floor. So let's see what we can do to fix this. Look at this thing. Unlocked, doesn't even lock up. Okay, we can take care of that. All right, here we go. I've already input the new sheet of glass. As you can see, there's a suction cup just like hovering up there. Plus, you can see my reflection. And now I've also made the adjustment on the door. Check this out. Wow, the door keeps going and it doesn't scrape anything. Little trade secret. You're recording that way, how come?
No, cuando lo voy a voltear le toqué.
No voltea en middle of the video.
Oh, que se para.
No que se para, porque después el video se cambia también.
Okay.
So así. So quick little breakdown out of silicone. Caulking comes in with lots of years of experience. Not tooting my own horn, I've been doing this prep since I've been a teenager. So I find that going slow and steady, but during your first couple of trials, or first couple of times of trying, you're going to screw up. So don't get too crazy about it. If anything, I encourage you to get sloppy. That way, you'll get a feel for the caulk gun that you're using. Different caulk guns have different pressure. You got to get used to them. You can't switch from one caulk gun to another too often because you're not going to get used to a particular pressure. And second, let it dry off. And everything that's spooged over, let it dry. Don't try to clean it up while it's wet. You're going to run into a bigger problem that way. Let it dry, cut it with a flat blade, and you'll get more familiar. And also, with the more practice you get, the quicker the siliconing process goes, and also the cleaner it looks. All right. And one little special word of advice: when you're caulking, especially a large bead like this, I'm not too worried about getting too clean on this because this is an unfinished edge. They're gonna put something on here. When you're going ahead on the first bead and you notice that you're leaving gaps, don't go back just yet. Keep on going in one direction, okay? And then you're gonna come back from the bottom and go on up from the bottom portion to fill in those gaps. So let's see if my luck is on my side. And again, I'm not really being too careful here. I'm really just trying to spooge that silicone in there. I'm not too concerned about the look right now. And as you see, I'm leaving gaps, which is fine. And I'll show you why. Because now when you get to the bottom portion here, all you're really going to do is just start. Now I'm going to clean this up, but instead of going down the same direction, I go the opposite direction instead. The whole idea of that is now you're filling in that gap that first direction wasn't working. Okay? And if it doesn't catch again, instead of going the same direction, you're going to go the opposite way. And now I need more silicone. Alright, got some more silicone here. And remember, I went in downward fashion up to there, up to about here. Still some gaps left, don't worry about that. So now, instead of going the same direction on this portion here, I'm going to go upwards instead. Helps being tall. See our little splooge right there? I'm not even going to bother with it. I'm going to let it dry off and then I'll clean it up. I've got no more gaps here, so now I'm going to go in the opposite direction of the last time. Now I'm going to go downwards. Alright, and then here, I believe I finished off with an upwards, so let's go ahead and do it downwards. And don't get frustrated about caulking either. This stuff is not easy. There are literally professionals that are on skyscrapers doing this stuff, making more than some registered nurses are. Now here we are with this bottom portion. Let's go ahead from the bottom up. Alright, so again, I'm not really too concerned with the look right there or up here. This is all going to get finished off. If anything, I'm a little unhappy with that. We'll let it dry out for about half an hour or so, and it'll cut off a lot easier.